Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am going to give you a little sales demo on this Singer 401A classic machine that I'm putting up for sale. I've already done a lot of videos on Singer 401As, so I'm not going to give you a complete rundown on this machine, just to let you know that it does work. So I'm going to do a few stitches on it. Let's see how well it sews. Reverse. And that's 4 layers of cotton. Might be hard to see the back side there. It's a light colored bobbin, but you can see the front. That's 4 layers of cotton. So you can you'll be able to put anything through this machine. Here's some denim. 2 layers of denim. I can double that up a little bit and go back over it. Just to let you see how well these machines work. Just pretty much go through anything with it. Can't really see real good. I have some more denim over here. This is a collar. So I'll do that, and that's going to be 4 layers. That's 4 layers of denim. Can't really see the stitches on that side. You can see it on this side though. Perfect. And this is something that a lot of people like to sew on, this imitation type leather that you see in the stores. I didn't get that very straight. But you get the general idea how well that sews. No problem. No problem. If you have a walking foot, you might want to put that on it. And I have walking foots. If you need any kind of accessories, just let me know. I have a lot of. I don't have everything listed in my store. I just have so much stuff. And I need to get rid of some of this stuff. I just have way too much. I have 3 401As. And that's why I've decided that I'm going to sell 2 of them and keep 1 of them. Nobody needs 3 401As. So I'm just hoarding these machines. And I know somebody would love to have them because they're just wonderful machines. If you like to sew and quilt, and a lot of these little home machines you get, they won't even sew through denim. Won't sew through anything. So it's a nice machine. I don't see any problems with it at all at this time. But if you do sewing on it, these machines do need to be oiled on a regular basis. Probably about every 8 to 10 hours you need to oil it, but of sewing. And And these machines are meant to be sewed on. They're not meant to stick in the closet and bring out every 6 months. These are for the serious person that wants to sew, because if you let these machines sit up, then they're gonna, what they call, gum up. And then you have to just kind of go up in here and all the gears and everything and just clean them off with kerosene. That's what happens with a lot of these machines. People think that there's something wrong with the machines, but it's just they've been sitting up for years and they've gummed up. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions about it, please check some of my other videos on 401As, how they're operated. And that you might find your answer there. Otherwise, just give me a text or an email or whatever, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.